FreeCAD is making waves in the CAD community as a free alternative to pricey software. But is it really worth your time, or just another tool that falls short? Let's dive in and see what this software has to offer. FreeCAD is an open source parametric 3D CAD modeler, designed primarily for mechanical engineering and product design, but has applications in other fields as well. Right off the bat, it's impressive that it's completely free, which can be a game changer for students or hobbyists who don't want to invest in expensive software like AutoCAD or SolidWorks. The user interface feels a bit cluttered at first, especially for beginners. It might take some time to get used to. However, the parametric modeling feature is a standout, allowing you to easily modify your design by going back to your model history. This is something that can save a lot of time in the design process. One thing that stands out is the extensive support from the community and the plethora of plugins available to enhance its functionality. That said, the lack of comprehensive tutorials can leave new users feeling a bit lost. Overall, it's a solid option for those willing to put in the effort to learn it. Let's break down some pros and cons. On the plus side, FreeCAD is completely free and open source, which means no hidden costs or subscription fees. The parametric modeling is a huge plus, and the community support is robust, offering plenty of forums and resources. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The learning curve can be steep, especially for those new to CAD software. The interface can feel overwhelming, and some users have reported bugs that can be frustrating. Plus, while the community is active, finding high-quality tutorials can be hit or miss, so it may not be the best fit for professionals who need a polished and intuitive experience right out of the box. But it could be a great tool for students or hobbyists who are willing to invest time into learning. In conclusion, FreeCAD is a powerful tool for those who need a FreeCAD solution and are willing to navigate its complexities. If you're a student or a hobbyist looking to learn CAD without breaking the bank, it's definitely worth trying out. However, professionals might want to look at more established options if they need a smoother workflow.